Marketing. I know what that is. It's advertising. It's designing a brochure. It's having a website and a Facebook page. And it's expensive. I don't need it for my business. That's what a lot of people think. Maybe you do too. Let me tell you what marketing really is. In simple terms, marketing is about making sure the right people know about what you have to offer, getting them to come to you, and then getting them to buy. And it's about making sure that your business makes a profit too. Customers are really important to any business. After all, if you don't have customers who are buying from you, then there's no income coming into the business, and you don't have a business. Effective marketing puts the customer at the center of your business. It makes sure that your business stands out from the competition. It's more than doing random activities like the occasional advert in the local paper, or sending out an email once in a while, or going to a local networking event just once. Marketing gives you a powerful set of tools, and if you put the right mix together in a coordinated and consistent way, then you can create an ongoing flow of paying customers straight to your doorstep. Good, eh? And marketing doesn't have to cost a lot. It's more about using your knowledge rather than your bank account. All you need is some time, energy, and some creative thinking, and you can get great results from your marketing. This module takes you through marketing step by step, from defining your product or service and identifying your customers, to planning how to attract them and getting them to buy, so you can make a profit. After all, it's called winning and keeping customers.